what I'm saying is there are two, what he is referred to 2017, 8 days public hearing, everything is okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, so what happened? First of all, what he said about the court expansion. On the website, even now it is there on the website of the city ministry. Yeah, it is there, no? For sure. It is still there. So this is the project consultant who have given their report. What is that? They were not agreeing with what the. No, that's not saying, no. So the hearing, public hearing was done, and in a public hearing. Youth जे आसा पोतून पुरी मॅसेज धाडटाले सो आज हांव तांकां मेळपाक दोना गेलो 2:15 आनी आतां ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता आतां टायम जालो 6:30 तेंच्या वांगडा बसलो आनी एज यूथ तेंचे इन्क्विजिटीव खूब आसता आनी ते बेज ऑन दॅट तेंचे 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्टाचेर आनी प्लस कोल हँडलिंगाचेर उलयलो सो खूब भुरग्यांनी क्वेश्चनां विचारले हांवें तांकां एक्सप्लेन केलें आनी आय एम नॉट सेईंग दॅट दे आर कन्विन्स्ड बट तेजे फाटल्यान आमचे 2 एक सेशन उरल्या एक म्हजे शेल्डे हे हांगा तांकां पावर ट्रान्समिशन तेणें पळोवना की सबस्टेशन म्हणल्यार कितें तें सो तांकां व्हरपाचो आसा आनी दुसरें तेणी म्हाका सांगलां की एक तांकां जाग्यार म्हाका मोलें व्हरपाक जाय अशें म्हणून हांव म्हणलें ओके सो हे दोनूय गोश्टी हांव फुडें करतलो पूण एक बरी गोश्ट की अशें फुडें सरता भुरगे एक तांकां जाणकार जावपाक जाय आनी म्हाजे कडेन इन्फॉर्मेशन खूब आसा आनी व्हेरी टेस्टफुली आनी सगळ्या भुरगे सगळे कासालेचे आरोसीचे माजोर्दाचे चिकालेचे सगळे यूथ जे 4-4, 5-5 जाण आशिल्ले सो तेणें म्हाका रेप्रेजेंटेशनान दिल्लें आसा आपणाचें कितें म्हणपाचें आसा तें सो आय हॅव टोल्ड देम सी एश्युअर्ड दॅट गव्हर्मेंट इज फॉर देम गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट डिसायड फॉर देम सेल्फ सो आय हॅव एक्सप्लेन वाय दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड आनी कितें आमी करपाक जाय हे सगळ्यो गोश्टी सांगल्या हांव तेजेर कन्विन्स जाल्या ना कन्विन्स तेंचे कडेन बट आय फील दॅट एटलीस्ट आय कुड एक्सप्लेन टू देम that why these projects are required and what is the benefit of these projects, especially the Tamil Nadu line.
Yeah, Power Minister had come to meet the youth because youth have been raising so many questions regarding the 3 linear projects. So Power Minister said instead of these youth just going on the streets, let them ask me the direct questions, and we appreciate that a senior minister comes to the youth and talks to them. Although the question answer time, it was a long time, they had a lot of questions. I'm not very sure if they are convinced of the answers. They might not be actually, but the good thing that happened was the positivity between the government, that is government represented by the Power Minister, and the youth, that they had this freedom to ask him any type of questions related to the projects.
The 3 projects to the minister, and he assured us that there will be a legislation to see that this coal transportation is minimized, and to see that the transportation of coal is not done outside Goa, because whatever is required for Goa, only that much is allowed, because they cannot stop everything. And here we also got assurances saying that afforestation will be done not only in Karnataka but in Goa also, and it will be there will be an agreement wherein if these forests are not planted again and if there is no these trees are not taken care of, there will be action against the companies who are holding these projects. He also showed us willingness to talk to the people, and because he said there were errors with the government and that they didn't have public consultation, and that could be rectified on a level. And he also stressed that the change has to be with the people, among the people, and with the ministers also. Everyone has to come together and work as one and see work a way out of it.
एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर येयलो इतलो टायम घेवन तेजे बिजी टायमान तो आमकां मेळपाक येयलो एज यूथ म्हणून तेणी आमकां दाखयलें आपले भितर युथांक सपोर्ट करतलो म्हणून तेणी आमकां दाखयलें एज एप्रिशिएशन अशें धरून तो आमचे फुड्यान येयलो आनी आमकांय खूब खोशी भोगली की तो आमकां सपोर्ट करता पूण एज मिटींग वॉज गोईंग ऑन वी क्वेश्चन हिम मेनी थिंग अबाउट 3 projects but like he explained us but like we were not too connected to him, like our answers was not so strong and powerful. We were not like sure about those questions, what he gave us the reply. We questioned him about the linear project, but we are still now not sure what will happen and what will be done. We were trying to connect him, but it was not possible.
Okay, but what did he assured you in this debate?
So he told us, like, suppose इतले आता trees cut केले, आता suppose एक tree cut केली जाल्यार he told us he'll plant more 3 trees over there. Same place he'll plant 3 trees over there. He told us he'll give an assurance saying that आमी ते मुखार करतली. We'll take step ahead to save our trees and to protect it. But I don't think so. फाल्यां सकाळीं आयज तो म्हणटा आपूण आयज चेरार आसा जाल्यार फाल्यां चेरार ना. सपोज इन केस आयज तर ती रोयली आनी फाल्यां कोणें कॅर घेवना जाल्यार तेंचे जिम्मेदार कोण तांकां प्रोटेक्ट करतलो, तांकां सारकी ग्रोथ जावपाक तेंची कोण काळजी घेतलो. आमकां इतलेंच हें